Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to install Premast Plus inside PowerPoint for Mac users. So, let's start. First, in PowerPoint, click on Insert in the Tools bar. Then choose Get Add-ins, which will lead you to Microsoft App Source page, and here we search for Premast Plus. Click on Get It Now and fill out the information needed. Don't forget to read the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Here it is, Premast Plus page. Click on Open in PowerPoint, and then you will find the Premast Plus installed in your PowerPoint. All you have to do now is sign in if you already have an account, or sign up if you are creating a new one. One last thing, guys, it's important to check your PowerPoint version before installing. If you are using Office on Mac, the minimum version allowed is 16.19 or later, and the recommended one is 16.43 or later. You will find a link in the description below telling you how to know the version of your PowerPoint. And that's it, guys. Enjoy using Premast Plus and see you in another video.